flow, not outside, but deep within the river, in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat, still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly road, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make me whole. River in my soul, flow so free, wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control. The freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind, me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when we reach the Zion goal, me know it's Jah who fill my bowl. A river in my soul, Jah design. It flow with peace, it flow with time. Forever stream from heights unknown. From him alone, my flesh and bone. Yes, me never walk alone. It not end, it just flow deeper still. Jah know.
Not every line roll out. Some just walk with power in silence. Silent warrior, trotting still. I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. They never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move with grace. Truth in heart, light on face. No loud talk, no grand show, but deep inside Jah love flow. Yes, I walk low, but glow high. And I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. In a boat to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world asleep. A soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum. Step by step, me overcome. Me no shout, but I survive. In every beat, I feel alive. Ooh, Jah, give our power inside. You don't need no sword to fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity, or walk with love and clarity, or hold me ground when storm arrive. Cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see. The fire burn inside of me. Walk with humble lion pride, and all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, but trod alone, but Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie, just soul and sky. Selassie, I still I. Silent but mighty high. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak.
You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Don't try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry. Cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth to lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, my reason why. Roots never die through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn Michelle. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise. Jah keep I wise.
Jah keep I wise.
Before so me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding I through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep. In every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release. Them chants still bring me heart to peace. Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jah one beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand. So next you'd rise and take my hand. Yes, I me root in your land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self. Me walk for y'all. Me feel peace in my chest. Them talk of war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest, me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Control all them do.
fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come unwind it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing.
Easy now, let it flow. There's a river inside. Let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder low, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride, me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me not fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent might. Me shine in dark, no need for light. Me learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. Me bend but never break or hide. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound. Me float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh Jah, a river overflown. Feel the current in your chest. Let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah river we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say. Me trust your voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, me keep peace. From dawn to dusk, it never cease. Me overflow with love so wide. My journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life.
sweet, but I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. My granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah given it me keep. Yes my soul it reap. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground.
Let the chimes sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when my pass, me ask one plea: bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze, and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct.
Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land. If you listen deep, you'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talk in ancient code. Me feel Jah presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Jah voice comes slow in the wind. The whispers in the wind, truth so clear. Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me nah climb tower to find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen. of life. Still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout low, me soul no leak. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, but watch the flow. They move too fast, me choose fi grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. I still waters run deep, still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep. Me chant for those whose waters deep. So when me gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. We belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to. Till this is strength, silence is